Look at this beautiful one, sweetie.
Wow, it's huge.
We'll have the best sauce tonight.
Who's ready for dinner?
It smells absolutely wonderful, dear.
I can't wait to eat it, Grandma. This is absolutely delicious, honey.
I told you it was good. Eat up, sweetie.
It's the best stew ever. Look, Grandma, it's the biggest one yet. Can we pick it?
Oh, honey, that is a beauty. Let's show Grandpa.
Look at this harvest, darling. We'll be eating fresh all week.
It's beautiful, isn't it? The best year yet.
Look at that big drake. He's moving fast.
Oh.
Get him, get him.